Proponents of SB 614 and the bill's author, Senator Susan Rubio, want to replace the RICA because of assertions of test bias. Under current California law, the California Commission on Teacher Credentialing is required to analyze the RICA for any possible sources of potential test bias with respect to the reading instruction competence assessment, or RICA. In August of 2019, the Commission on Teacher Credentialing issued a report that included the most recent RICA pass rate data. In this report, the CTC discusses the steps to avoid test bias that are built into the Commission's examination development and administration processes. Processes include a bias review committee, which reviews all test content and questions for potential bias, and differential item functioning analysis. The Commission employs these procedures specifically to reduce measurement error that might be caused by bias so that results by gender, race, and ethnicity can be accurately reported. SB 614 proposes to repeal from the California Education Code any responsibility that the Commission on Teacher Credentialing has to monitor for possible test bias. SB 614 will also eliminate the RICA, which is the only state-level, individual, validated, and reliable reading instruction assessment that is monitored for test bias and that new teachers are required to pass for state licensure. In lieu of the RICA, SB 614 would allow individual teacher prep programs to create their own program-embedded, performance-based measures to assess candidates in reading skills instruction. Allowing reading assessments that are self-created by faculty will produce inconsistent assessments across teacher prep programs and expose candidates to implicit instructor bias with no mechanism in place for CTC to monitor for bias. SB 614 will create new reading instruction assessments for candidates who have not been assessed in their teacher prep programs, but SB 614 eliminates the requirement that these to-be-developed reading instruction assessments be validated and monitored for possible test bias by the CTC. Senator Susan Rubio and the proponents of SB 614 are removing safeguards against potential racial, ethnic, and gender-based test bias.